Hey guys, in this video I will be show you how you can remove object from Photo and Photoleap apps. So you can download the Photoleap apps in App Store or Google Play Store and just open up you download it. So appears like this and just select instance edits. So select remove objects and click start. Select the photo you want to edit. For instance, select this one and just brush the object you want to remove. For instance, just brush at once. So here we go, but I think it's not perfect. You can try again. Okay, we go. Just click save in the bottom right, in the top right corner. Sorry. Okay, that's how to remove object from Photo and Photoleap apps. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.